Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Roland. I'm the ATVOIL guy. Today I'm going to be working on this Polaris Ranger 570. We're going to be changing the fluids in the front end, here the front differential. Well, I already started. I took the drain plug out. I'm draining the fluids out of the front diff, and I took out the fill plug. Today we're using AMSOIL 100% synthetic transmission differential fluid. It comes in this easy fill bag. I don't know how easy that's going to be, but it should be easier than a jug. But so basically what you're supposed to do is just cut this off here, insert it in the fill hole, and you can just weasel it in there and fill up your differential. But the way this one is, it's kind of in behind framework and stuff. I'm not sure. I may use a hose. I'll show you in a bit, and then I'll get my fluid in the front differential that way. So there's the fill hole. The plug takes a 8mm Allen socket or an Allen key, whatever you can fit in there, but it has to be 8mm. Same with the drain plug as well. I took it out and it's draining. It looks like it's fully drained now. So now we can start to fill the oil into the front differential. So on the drain plug, I cleaned it off and I inspected the rubber O-ring that's on here. Everything looks good. I'll just put a little bit of oil on it, and then we're going to put the drain plug right back into the front differential. So I'm going to squeeze under here. I'm going to clean the drain hole here, make sure there's no dirt around that area, clean the excess oil up. I'm going to put the drain plug back in, thread it in there, and we're going to snug it up. It's 10 foot-pounds with a torque gun. Specs for tightening that plug. So you just don't want to over tighten it. I'm going to try and fill it with just this first, but we'll rig it up and get it going. So what we do is we fill up the front differential until the oil starts to seep out of the fill hole. They say it should take exactly this, 1 full quart. We'll see. From what I'm seeing here in the drain pan, I don't think that's 1 quart. So we don't want to overfill it. We'll just fill it up till it starts to drain out, and then that's it, we're done. Okay, so we opened up the seal in here, put the cap back on, took the top off the cap. It's good and tight. Now there's no point in me bringing you in with the camera here, because you won't see, but I'll do my best. I'll see if I can do it this way first of all. I just don't want to lose any. You know what, it's going to be hard. There's a part of the frame here, you can't see it, but it's really in the way. I got a hose that'll fit in there. I'm thinking I might just try that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this hole. It goes in the fill hole perfectly. And then I'll just squirt this bottle down into here. There, we got some light on the situation. You can see better. So you just get in here and you squeeze the bag. It's going in the tube and it's going in the fill hole. We have no leaks. It's going in perfectly. Okay, we're getting a little bit coming out of the hole now. I'm not sure if that's because it's full. Has to be. So I'm going to show you a trick I do. From what I can see, the oil is coming out of the fill hole. So I'm just going to put this zip tie in the hole just a tiny bit. And if there's oil on the end, we know it's full. I bet you only used half of this. So I don't know why they say it takes a full quart. There's no way you could put a full quart in there. Oh yeah, it's full of oil. It's really seeping out there. So it is full. It's leaking out now. So I'm just going to put the fill plug back in. And that's it, guys. I'm going to tighten that up, and that's the end of that's all it is to filling up the front differential on a 2019. There's a few years in there. I think it's 2015 or 14 to 2021. Polaris Ranger 570. So that was an easy job done on the Polaris Ranger 570. Again, if you want to get your AMSOIL differential fluid, transmission fluid, you can go down to the links down below in this in the description of this video, or you can go to ATVOIL.ca, where you just type in whatever ATV, side-by-side, UTV that you have, and then you can choose between motor oil, gear oil, transmission oil, grease, whatever you want. And if you have more than one machine and some power equipment, it may be a good idea to look at the preferred customer program, where you can save up to 25% on your order. Plus, if you're ordering that much, you get free shipping on $100 US or $130 Canadian. And there's some other bonuses in there as well. I want to thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, come back for more videos, and we'll see you again on another one. Take care.